Are you in search of a skilled video editor, capable of transforming your footage into captivating reels, TikTok snippets, Instagram stories, or YouTube shorts? Let's show you what you will get.
I'm going to post this damn video about anxiety, for instance, because there's someone out there that needs it. Even if you don't want, like, just think about this for instance, even if you don't want to grow.
Short-term goals. First goal, better macros and peak customer service. So with customer service, we're gonna make macros customer service better by implementing our first ever CR.
What up, Mackians? In a recent Warzone game with the boys, it came down to the final circle with our whole squad alive and only one enemy still up. At that point I said, let's have some fun. Perhaps a one-on-one showdown? Check it out.
We specialize in producing professional quality videos tailored to your needs. With our sample videos, you'll have a clear idea of the quality you can expect, and we guarantee 100% satisfaction. Our services include 3D effects, VFX, seamless transitions, immersive sound effects, and the option to add subtitles to your videos. Don't hesitate. Place your order now.